Halo semuanya, nama saya Andrian Haryadi, NIM saya 2018 104 107 dari Creative Industry. Saya akan menjelaskan chapter 19 Managerial Accounting. Chapter outline: identify the feature of managerial accounting and the function of management. Describe the class of manufacturing costs and the difference between product and period costs. Demonstrate how to compute cost of goods manufactured and prepare financial statement for a manufacturer. Discuss trends in managerial accounting. Managerial accounting basic, profit economy, and financial information for managers and other internal users. Comparing managerial and financial accounting. To each field deals with economic event of a business, but require that economic event be quantified and communicated to interested parties. Comparing managerial and financial. Feature, primary user of reports, types and frequency of report, purpose of reports, financial accounting, external user, shareholders, creditors, and regulators. Financial statement quarterly and annually. General purpose. Managerial accounting, internal users, advisor, and managers internal report as frequently as needed. Special purpose for specific discussion. Okay. Next, management function. Planning, maximize short-term profit and market share. Commit to environment protection and social programs. Add value to the business. Directing, coordinate diverse activity and human resource. Implement plan objective, profit incentive to motivate employees, hire and train employees, products a smooth running operation. Controlling, keeping activities on track, determine whether goals are made, decide changes needed to get back on track, Mayosian informal or formal system of evaluation. Organization structure, shareholder, di bawahnya board of director, lalu ada chief executive officer and president. Organization chart show the interrelationship of activity and the delegation of authority and responsibility within the company. Di bawahnya ada general, vice president marketing, vice president finance, vice president operation, vice president human resource, treasurer, lalu terakhir controller. Okay. Next, managerial cost concept. What costs are involved in making a product providing a service? If we decrease production volume, will cost decrease? What impact will automation have on total cost? How can we best control costs? Manufacturing costs since of activities and process that convert raw material into finished good. Okay, next, manufacturing costs, direct material, raw material, basic materials, and parts used in manufacturing process. Raw materials that can be physically and directly associated with finished product during the manufacturing process are direct materials. Manufacturing costs, indirect material, have one of two characteristics: not physically part of finished product, or they are impractical to trace to the finished product because their physical association with the finished product is too small in terms of cost. Considered part of manufacturing overhead. Manufacturing costs, direct labor. Work of factory employees that can be physically and directly associated with converting raw material into finished good. Indirect labor. Work of factory employees that has no physical association with finished product or which is impractical to trace cost to goods products. Manufacturing costs, overhead. Costs that are indirectly associated with manufacturing the finished product includes all manufacturing costs and direct labor, also called factory overhead. Indirect manufacturing costs are burden. Okay, next. Product versus period cost. Product costs, components, direct material, direct labor, manufacturing overhead. Costs that are an integral part of producing the product, recorded in inventory account, not an expense COGS until goods are sold. Product versus period cost. Period cost charged to expense incurred non-manufacturing costs, includes all selling and administrative expense. Okay, next. Product versus period cost. All cost, product cost, manufacturing cost, to the direct material, direct labor, manufacturing overhead, indirect material, labor, other indirect costs, period cost, non-manufacturing cost, selling expense, administrative expense. Next, illustration. Suppose you start your own snowboard factory. Material cost €30 per board. Okay. Labor cost 40 per board. Equipment 25.000 per year. Building 6.000 per year. Oke, ini sama contohnya ilustrasi. Oke, next. Manufacturing cost in financial statements. Income statement. Under a periodic inventory system, the income statement of a merchandiser and a manufacturer difference in the cost of goods sold section COGS. Income statement. Oke, next saja income statement. Nah, ini contoh bisa dilihat. Oke, sama aja 90.000. COGS manufacture. Total manufacturing cost, sum of direct material cost, direct labor cost, and manufacturing overhead in the current year. Total work in process, cost of beginning, total money. Contohnya seperti ini. Oke, next. Statement of financial possession. Inventory account of manufacturer. Raw material inventory show the cost of raw material on hand. Work in process inventory show the cost applicable to units that have been started into production but are only partially complete. Finished goods inventory show the cost of complete goods on hand. Oke, statement of financial possession ini jadi lihat contohnya. Oke, next. company accounting today. Service industry. Much of the global economy has shifted toward an emphasis on providing service rather than goods. Most in technical learned for manufacturing firms are applicable to service company. Okay, next. Focus on the value chain. Activity-based costing ABC. Allocates overhead based on use of effective result in more accurate product costing and scrutiny of all activity in value chain. Balance scorecard evaluates operation in a integrated fashion, use both financial and non-financial measures, link performance to overall company objective. Business ethic. All employees are expected to act ethically. Many organizations have codes of business ethic. Creating proper incentive system and control time. Create incentive for managers to take unethical action. Control needs to be effective and realistic. Okay, business ethic clarifies management responsibility, require certification by CEO and CPO, selection criteria for board of director and audit committee. Lalu terakhir ada substantially increase penalties for misconduct. Oke, next saja. Oke, sekian. Sekian